Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video we have round 1 of the Acme Tools lightning deals. This is round 1 of 3 today. I have 5 deals to show you for this video. These deals are good for 1 hour from 10 a.m. Central Time to 11 a.m. Central Time. If you're not already, make sure to subscribe. Click the bell so you get notified when round 2 and round 3 start. Again, for each of them, you're only going to have 1 hour. And if you're watching this after they're all done, still want to subscribe because we'll be doing these videos again the next time Acme Tools does these lightning deals. Also, make sure to enter their last brand standing competition. You can win up to a $500 Acme Tools gift card. It's free to enter. And if you use code STRUGGLE, you will be eligible for additional discounts and prizes. So I'll leave all that information in the description down below, as well as the links to these deals I'm going to show you and the promo codes you're going to need during the lightning deals. So this first one, we have the DeWalt 20 volt max brushless 3-tool combo kit. It's right now $329. You use code POWER100 to get $50 off, and use combo 50, again, I'll put that in the description, to get another $50 off. Those do stack, so you're going to pay $229 for this 3-tool kit, which is really a good deal because these are all brushless tools, and you're getting two 2-amp-hour batteries. You're getting the charge of the bag, obviously. If we scroll down here a little bit, it does give you a breakdown of, now this is full-blown retail on all these prices. You would probably find these on sale and not legitimately be paying this, but it just does give you an idea of the value you're getting with this kit at $229. That is a really good deal. Again, Power 100 and Combo 50 are your two promo codes you're going to need. Second deal is for the Makita fans out there. Now, I am recording this before the sale starts because there's no way I could record this, upload it, get it all up there before the deals are dead. So I'm assuming or hoping this page will look a little bit different when you pull it up. But it's $369 right now. It's going to be $40 off. Plus, you're getting a free battery and free gloves. You're going to use the promo code MAC, M-A-K-O-P-E, M-A-K-O-P-E, Outdoor Power Equipment. So $40 off, and a battery and gloves for the top handle 18-volt 12-inch kit, which it looks like it comes with a 4-amp-hour battery to begin with. It did not say in the email to me what the battery you're getting, what the free one is. I don't know if it's another 4, if it's going to be something else. Hopefully it's at least a 4, because with the chainsaw you really don't want to use anything smaller, but only time will tell, or actually you'll be finding out pretty quickly if you're watching this. Next up, we have an Ego deal. It's the string trimmer kit. Now you see here we're getting the full kit. That's 56-volt system, but we also have a free battery. That's a 2.5-amp-hour battery that's free. And then during the lightning deal, it's going to be an additional $30 off. Now it says it's $30 off plus free battery. I'm assuming this is the free battery, but it would be like super amazing if you ended up getting 2 free batteries. I don't think that's what's going to happen, but hey, a boy can hope, right? But it's $30 off, so it's going to be $299 instead of $329, and you still should be getting that battery. And you're going to use promo code EGODEAL, E-G-O deal, all one word, EGO deal. Now, one for the Pack-Out fans out there, we got the Milwaukee Pack-Out tool set with new low-handle rolling toolbox, normally $319.97. It's going to be $20 off, and you get a free tumbler, and you're going to use the promo code PACKOUT20. Again, all these are going to be in the description, but PACKOUT20. So $20 off and a free tumbler. It's fourth in line on the deals because it's not my favorite. I'm not a huge fan of Pack-Out to begin with, not because it's not good, but because it's so expensive. I'd have to get a mortgage on the house just to pay for the Pack-Out stuff. So, and then it's only a $20 discount, so I'm kind of like, you could have done better than that. But that's what it is. And the last deal for round 1 is the Yeti 10-ounce Rambler stackable mug with mag slider lid rescue lid. I don't even know what that means. It's normally $25, but it's going to be 40% off, so you're going to pay $15. And I forgot the promo code. Hold on. Using promo code Yeti Mug. Yeti Mug. Now, at this price point, you're going to pay $5.99 for shipping at Acme Tools, so I don't know about that, but if you're going to buy anything else in this video and you want the mug, then you're going to get the shipping for free, and you can get the mug for $15, and then that makes it a pretty good deal. So you might want to throw it in with other purchases, because if you're over $1.99 on your purchase, you do get free shipping. So that is the 5 deals for round 1. We do have round 2 and round 3 coming up. So again, make sure to subscribe, make sure to click the bell, and you guys will be hearing from me 2 more times today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.